Hey, what's up, Herd? It's Friday, January 7th. My name is Aaron, and this is your market update. Let's get on into it because we're experiencing a pump at the moment. Bitcoin has broken out over the last 24 hours, getting up above this downward trending resistance line, and it's great to see that, guys, as we have been touching it. We touched it 3 times before breaking out now, and we have made a higher high on the timeline up to $104,000 for the price of Bitcoin, and that is absolutely fantastic. We have made a recovery of 17% on the price of Bitcoin in just about 4.5-5 days, and that is absolutely great to see. And I do think getting into the weekend, guys, we could see some more volatility, so wouldn't be surprised to see this retested back to 100 before we go up and to the right again. But we all know that the next leg of the bull market is incoming as Trump is getting inaugurated on Monday. We took out some high levels of short liquidations at 103 this morning, guys, and that is why we were seeing a boost to the upside. This is definitely a classic short squeeze, though we are starting to see some liquidity below us at 101,000, and there's actually a decent amount down here at about 95, so we could see a turnaround here. Let's look at a higher time frame to see what we have below us here. Yeah, actually not a ton below us, so maybe a little bit around the high $95,000 range, but it does look like we're starting to get even more shorts around 106. So let's see if we get up to that 104 to 106 range is my next target for the price of Bitcoin. Ethereum up 3.5% today. Has been a lot of volatility, did not go up quite as strongly as Bitcoin has not made all-time highs. In fact, hasn't even come up to this downward trending line of resistance here. I would like to see this get all the way up to about 3,600 over the next couple days, though we are still seeing whale money flow come out of the price of Ethereum. So until that turns around, I'm not super bullish on this. Ethereum needs to make a comeback, guys. It is lagging the rest of the market considerably, considering that Sol has made an all-time high, BNB has made all-time highs, and of course, SWI has done the same. I think I need to start tracking XRP as the number 3 token in this series, guys, and I will be adding that to my synopsis today. XRP did hit its all-time high yesterday of around $3.35, currently sitting at $3.25, guys. I do expect this to take a little bit of a breather before we go up into the right past all-time highs into price discovery. I've not done a lot of technical analysis on this, but all-time highs I know for sure are around $3.35. But other than that, we have come up considerably over the last 24 to 48 hours, all the way up 23% at the top, guys. Previous consolidation looked like a downward turn of about 27%, so I wouldn't be surprised if we came back down to this line here, which would be a decline of about 17%, maybe even more, down to possibly the moving averages down here. $2.39 wouldn't be out of the question at the moment. However, with the bull market pressing forward, guys, I do expect XRP to go into price discovery within the next couple of weeks. BNB took another crack at this downward trending resistance line as well, though whale money flow is very stagnant on this. We are heading up into the right as we are getting a lot of fees from the Binance Smart Chain and its perpetual DEX, and which accrues back to the BNB token. I do expect BNB to make a decisive move, likely to the upside, sometime in the next 24 to 48 hours as it has this upward trending support that's rather steep and this downward trending resistance that is yet to be broken out from. And since Bitcoin has done this with its breakout, guys, I do expect BNB to happen shortly. Solana looking to create a inverse head and shoulders here, guys. I wouldn't be surprised to see this roll over again one more time to this upward trending line of support that we have around $195 if we don't break out of this shortly. Though since Bitcoin is breaking out, I do expect us to go up to the upside a little bit further. All-time highs for the price of Solana are up here at about $263, so that would be the next price target after we break out of this consolidation. SWI trading in a tight range over the last 24 to 48 hours, guys. Expecting a breakout here anytime now, either to the downside or the upside, but I do think the trajectory looks like we're going to go to the upside. Breaking outside of $5 would be absolutely massive for this. All-time highs are sitting at $5.35. And the last time that we saw SWI in this range, it did get into the top 11 tokens by market cap. I would love to see it break into the top 10 and then some. My projection for the price of SWI, guys, is to get up north of $9 by the end of this cycle, and I do think this could happen in a rather quick hurry because we've got so much momentum behind the SWI token right now. But in the short term, guys, I do think we'll get up to $6 on the next leg of this run, and I do think this could happen very, very quickly. Getting into the elephant money ecosystem, we continue to capitulate down. In our last video, guys, we were about 12.8 cents, and we have currently dropped down to 12.4 cents. And I do expect this to possibly capitulate all the way down to 11.5. However, guys, I know BT is working in the background on another mechanism that could absolutely make tons of fees for this ecosystem. That is yet to be talked about in any of our communications, so do watch out for that very shortly. That's all I've got for today, guys. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more content just like this. Be sure to be positioned for the next rip to the upside, guys, as Bitcoin is moving out of resistance zones right now. If you're not in your favorite alts, I would highly recommend you do so, as Bitcoin dominance should roll over very shortly, and we should have a great alt season over the next couple of weeks. Thanks again for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless.